How's my bucket hat looking? Okay, this is bucket hat. We're gonna go out to Dead Horse Cave, Kettle Cave. This is in Gooding County. The weather's looking really nice today. Got some storm clouds around, but I think they'll stay away. Should be very pretty. Taking the four-wheeler, and hopefully we'll be able to get down in Kettle. Never been there before. Should be fun. Okay. There's Dead Horse Cave. What's amazing is how cool it is in here. It's probably, how cold do you think it is in there? 50s? So if you come out here on a hot summer day, you have a place to cool off. Let's go in. Smells a little smoky. Can't tell how dark it is because my glasses are dark. Need a flashlight. Looks like people camping here. It's the exit. And it's wet. It goes back in here quite a ways, at least a couple 100 feet, if not yards. I don't think you can see much. That's the exit back there. Not sure why they call it Dead Horse Cave. I'll have to figure that out. Give you guys an update. Maybe there was a dead horse in here one time. See how much rain they've got? A lot of thunderstorms. Yeah, what a degree change. Okay, on to the next. Where are we going?
Kettle Cave.
Okay. Okay, the road was pretty rough getting here. I don't think Don liked it much. It's very pretty. And I'll just take you up how to get here. You're not really sure that you found it till you find it. So we did find it. You kind of wonder, they're probably walking over some major voids under the earth. But that's the entrance. So we're going to go in a second. You're not going? How about if it's easy?
Nope.
How about if it's got wheelchair access? You got to go in. It's going to be beautiful in there. There's the hole. There's ferns down there. What's over there? It's amazing. This is all lava. Not sure what that's up, standing up over there. It's kind of cool. You see that thing standing up over there?
Yeah. The spout?
No, the spout's what I'm going down. Okay, I'm going in. Hopefully it don't get too dark. Holy shit. It's getting dark. May have to have my flashlight. It's pretty awesome. Ow, hit my head. Hit it again. You want to watch out for those. All right, I'm going to turn my light off so I can have another hand. Oh, isn't this awesome? This is all lava. Big air bubble. Amazing. I can't believe I haven't been out here. I think I'm going to try and fly my drone in here from the top down. Maybe we'll get a good picture. So again, this is called Kettle Cave. And the reason it is this is the pot. And I climbed down the spout over there. It's amazing. Still got water dripping down from the ceiling. This is awesome. Hope this lasts a long time. You coming down? No. How about if I help you? You got to come down here, honey. This is all basalt. It's all lava at one time. Look at the beautiful ferns. Isn't that amazing?
Some noises. This is Tea Kettle Cave. Aaron thinks this is the opening. I don't think I'm going in there. Aaron wants me to go way down there. Okay, I did come in that little hole. Aaron had to help me because it's very, very scary. But it is beautiful down here. Of course, Aaron goes all the way. I'm not. And there's that big hole.
Okay, friends, family, thank you so much for watching. And as I go down the road here, go to the left. It's a lot smoother. Well, I shouldn't say it's a lot smoother, but definitely smoother than the other way. But thank you for watching. We had a great time in the caves today. If you go out, please be respectful. they'd even maybe take some trash home with you. And please just preserve them. It's a beautiful place to go, and I hope we can continue to go there. And if you want, please subscribe to my channel, hit like, and when I post some more, you'll get notified. Thank you very much.